Today we have the 2021 Audi A4. This vehicle has done just over 45,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, smartphone integration, navigation, our vehicle settings, phone apps, our favourites, as well as users. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our 3-zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our drive select button, we can switch between our 5 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.